LVDTs, or linear variable differential transformers, are highly accurate sensors used to measure linear position. While LVDTs work on the same basic principle, using a moving core and electromagnetic coils, the way the core is mechanically coupled can vary depending on the application. The two most common types are free core LVDTs and spring-loaded LVDTs. A free core LVDT uses a loose, unrestrained core that moves freely inside the sensor. There's no spring or internal shaft. Movement must come from an externally coupled mechanism. These sensors are often paired with a core extension rod, which connects the core to the object being measured, especially when the sensor needs to be mounted in a fixed or protected location. Free core LVDTs are compact and flexible. They're commonly used in industrial automation, hydraulic systems, and embedded equipment, anywhere where space is limited and motion can be guided from the outside. On the other hand, spring-loaded LVDTs include an internal spring and guided shaft. The spring pushes the core back to the starting position when not in use, making these sensors ideal for surface measurements or dimensional checks where the sensor needs to make contact with a changing surface. Spring-loaded LVDTs are typically used in quality control, benchtop inspection systems, and applications where consistent contact and repeatable motion are important. So how do you choose between them? If your application has limited space or uses a moving part that can drive the core directly, a free core LVDT is a good fit. If you need the sensor to automatically return to a zero position or make direct contact with a changing surface, a spring-loaded LVDT is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, visit us at hgsind.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business.